Alright, well here we are, moving the 6x6. As you can see, it moves. It is our 1953 military 6x6 crane truck. As you can hear, she runs really good. Sorry about the shaking, I apologize. Runs well. As you can see, forward works, reverse works. Danny is steering it. So, not too bad. Going up the hill a little bit. Here he comes around the corner. As I said, steering not the easiest thing in the world. But then again, come on, it's a 1953. But as you can see, it does steer. Steers fine. Motor sounds good. Differential's working beautifully. Everything working the way it is supposed to. Again, I apologize for if I'm shaking at all. So right now, let me chalk the wheels, and then Dan will demonstrate all the PTOs. He will get everything working, and then we will show you the machine, the crane actually operating. Just give us a second and off we go. Okay, here we go. Very nice. So, right now, Danny's throttling up. There's on the dashboard are all the procedures that you have to follow in order to make everything work, what gear you're supposed to be in, and like in the transfer case and the transmission. But here we want to just show you that, as you can see, the crane works, the turret works, back and forth. Working pretty well. Now, I'm not sure what he's going to do. Now you can see the crane is actually extending, and you can see that the cable is moving. And the cable goes with it. So, as you can see, the cable does extend along with the boom itself. He's probably going to run it out full extension. And there you go. Up and down.
Grab that cable.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the cable so that it helps wind it. And as you can see, the cable does come out. So now the cable's coming out. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. And now he'll pull me in. And he'll guide the cable in. And as you can see, it is moving rather well. And now the cable is being retracted. So that proves that all the PTOs work. Everything is functioning the way it is supposed to. The cable works and everybody is functioning properly. So hold on 1 second. I'll put the camera down. that you could see before. There we go. Sorry about the autofocus. My bad. What happened? Alright, and now we're gonna put the arms back into place because this is the way they belong for transport. Down. Down. A little more. Okay. See, this is how you transport this vehicle. You keep the arms up. Good. And then he puts a little bit of tension on the winch. So, not too bad. Machine works, and everybody is happy. Everything works rather well. Okay, now we're showing you the stuff inside the cab. As you can see, there's a lot of things that have to be done, but on the dashboard are all the plates that tell you exactly how to run this truck. They give you all the information, how to work the PTOs, front, back, the winches, everything, and they're all self-explanatory. And everything is there and complete. All the lights work, everything works fine. So, and as you can see, there's a winch in the front, beacon light, you hear it running. It is a good running machine. It's solid, brakes work beautifully, and throttle works. So, hope you're interested, and any questions, please feel free to contact us.